Let's talk about Brightline security.
Let me tell you right now, if you think you're going to come here with your bags like you do at the Amtrak, think again. Because you're going to have to go through security, they're going to scan your bag, they're going to do everything. This is the Brightline train station here in Fort Lauderdale. But I appreciate the fact that they do check your bag, but they real serious about it, okay? We finally made it through security, and now we're inside of the Brightline station. My husband finally pulled up to a bar. So, honey,
Huh?
so what do you think about this station so far?
Station so far, station's right.
Waiting for the train on the platform. Our point of view. We love Brightline. 2 thumbs up.